All right, good morning, everyone. This is No Excuse Mentality Podcast, where we break barriers, embrace excellence, and unlock limitless potential. It is July 20th, 2023. And today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about FOMO, which is the fear of missing out. It's commonly known as FOMO. Um, and it's something that really affects everyone, especially when it comes to trading. In the fast paced world of trading, FOMO can be a powerful force that leads to impulsive and irrational decisions. It can cloud our judgment and causes us to abandon our own strategies, ultimately leading to regrettable outcomes. But you don't have to be in fear. There are effective strategies to beat FOMO and trade with confidence and discipline. And I want you all to really understand the concept behind FOMO and why it happens. The first step in conquering FOMO is to understand where it comes from. FOMO is driven by a fear of regret, a fear of missing out on a lucrative trade opportunity that could have yield substantial profits. All right, that's the number one that you have to understand today is that FOMO is driven by fear. All right, fear of regret, fear of missing out. It arises when we see others profiting from certain assets or witnessing rapid price movements and feel the need to jump on the bandwagon immediately. But as traders, we must recognize that FOMO is an emotional response, and emotions should not dictate our trading decisions. We see it constantly. Sometimes the stock spikes up or spikes down, and you miss it. And sometimes you're asking yourself, should I get in? Should I get in? Should I get in? And you, because of the fear of missing out, because people are already in it and they're like, oh my God, we're making all this money. And then once you get in, you realize right there in that moment that that opportunity is gone and the trade starts going in the opposite direction. And that is FOMO. You abandon completely your strategy because you feel left out. The key to overcoming FOMO is to have a well defined trading plan, which I always tell all of you. A trading plan acts as a roadmap, providing clear guidelines for your actions in various market scenarios. It should outline your entry and exit strategies. I always talk about this. Before you get into a particular trade, you have to know your exit, your risk management rules, and your overall trading approach. Having a solid plan in place will provide a sense of structure and discipline, reducing the temptation to act impulsively. And the reason I use reducing is because you're going to get caught one day or another, someday or another, you will get caught in this FOMO. All right. That's why I say reducing the temptation is doesn't mean that you're not going to be tempted. It's going to reduce your temptation to act impulsively. Moreover, practice patience, right? We are seeing that now some of you are actually in this stage of practicing patience and looking for the right opportunity. Impulse impulse trading driven by FOMO often leads to higher risk and lower rewards. Why? Because FOMO leads for you to get into a position after the fact, right? Or sometimes even before the fact. Many of us get into a trade even before all the indicators tell you to get into the trade, but we get in it because we want to get it from the top. We don't want to lose any money. We don't want to go in late. So that's even FOMO. It's a fear of missing out, right? We get into a trade even before the indicators tell you get into a trade, right? That leads to what? Higher risk and lower rewards. Why? Because sometimes when we do that, the stock goes in the opposite direction. And then what we're looking for is not even to make money, it's to break even. And instead of you making $100, now you're just looking for a way out to even break even, right? So instead, wait for the right opportunities to align with your trading plan. Understand that not every market movement is suitable for your strategy, and it's okay to wait on the sidelines when the conditions are not in your favor. I'm going to repeat that again. It's okay to wait on the sidelines when the conditions are not favorable to you. Patience is a virtue in trading, and it can lead to better decision making and more profitable outcomes. Another powerful tool to combat FOMO is to manage your emotions effectively. Develop self awareness and recognize when FOMO is creeping into your decision making process. You need to identify the moment that you feel FOMO and be able to control it. When you feel the urge to act out of fear or anxiety, take a step back. Practice deep breathing, meditation, whatever it takes to calm your mind. Remind yourself of your trading plan and the importance of discipline in achieving your long term goals. We are looking for consistent green days. That's what we're looking for. Additionally, embrace a mindset of abundance. Okay, now listen to this. This is very important what's coming next. Embrace a mindset of abundance. In order for you to beat FOMO, you need to embrace a mindset of abundance because FOMO often stems from a scarcity mentality, the fear that missing out on one opportunity will deprive us of future ones. Now, listen, this is the key right here, guys. FOMO often stems from a scarcity mentality. If I don't get in it now, I'm going to lose. If I miss this opportunity, I'm going to lose. It's not going to come ever again. It's not going to show up. If I don't make money at 10:10 when everybody came in, it's gonna be 4 o'clock and I'm not gonna make any money. Scarcity mentality. But the reality is that the market offers a whole range of opportunities every day. Guys, every day there's an opportunity to trade. Trust in your abilities as a trader and know that the right opportunities will present themselves if you stay disciplined and patient. Sometimes we're looking at the stock and we're looking at it for about 2 hours and it's 11:30, 12 o'clock and we still don't have a play. And guys, it's been 2 o'clock and there is the play. It breaks. It's 1 o'clock and there is the play, right? It's about being disciplined and patient. Furthermore, be cautious of herd mentality. This is another big, right? I know we trade together. Sometimes that's why I do not mention when I get in, I do not mention when I get out, because I want to keep you guys away from the herd mentality. I let you guys know when there is a support. I let you guys know when there is a resistance. And there are times that if you ask me, Eric, if you break this weekly resistance, are you going to get in? I'll tell you, yeah, it's a possibility that I will get in, definitely, right? But I do not communicate that much, whether I'm in, whether I'm out, whether I'm adding more, whether I'm taking out, because I want to take you guys away from the herd mentality. The point of this is that if I walk out of here and I get hit by a bus, you guys can continue to trade and you guys have the discipline. You have a trade that you learn on your own. You can find other channels that they have the herd mentality. We're all going to buy here. We're all going to sell here. Well, they're not learning, right? And the point in this group is not to teach you how to trade, it's to transform your life. That's what my goal is. And the only way to do that is to keep you away from that herd mentality. Following the crowd without conducting proper research can be detrimental to your trading success. Remember that what works for others may not align with your trading style or risk tolerance. Sometimes I will hold a little bit longer than you. And sometimes I will get out a lot faster than you because my risk tolerance is different depending on the position. Conduct your analysis, trust your judgment. In a herd mentality, you guys are going to be trusting only one person. And that's not what we are about. You need to make informed decisions based on your unique trading plan. All right. And like I always end up, surround yourself with a supportive trading community like we have. Engage with like-minded traders. You don't know how many times I tell you guys this in every single podcast that can provide valuable insights and perspective. Share your experience. This is something huge. Whether you win or you lose, share your experiences because that way we can learn from each other. Seek advice when needed. Ask the right questions. Don't hold back. A supportive network can help you stay grounded and reinforce your commitment to your trading plan, which is what we do in this group. Beating FOMO, just to sum it up real quick, beating FOMO in trading requires discipline, patience, self awareness, and a well defined trading plan, which all of you have. Understand that FOMO is an emotional response and should not dictate your decisions. Stick to your strategy, practice patience, manage your emotions, and maintain a mindset of abundance, guys. That is the most important. If you take anything from here today, is that FOMO comes from mentality of scarcity. You have to change that and maintain a mindset of abundance. Means that if you miss one, there will be another opportunity. The market will bless you with another opportunity. During the day, the market will give you another opportunity. Trust in your abilities as a trader and remember that the right opportunities will come your way if you stay disciplined and focused. And the reason I wrote this, that the right opportunities will come your way if, now that's a big one, the right opportunities will come your way if you stay disciplined and focused. If you are not disciplined and focused, the opportunity might be in front of your face, but you will not see it because if you are consumed by FOMO or you are not paying attention to what's happening, the right opportunities might be in front of you, but if you are not disciplined and focused, you will not see it. All right? You will not see it. Here's a few factors contribute to the development of scarcity mentality in trading because I believe this is very important. Um, there is a constant stream of information, news, and market movements, leading traders to believe that they must act swiftly to avoid missing out. Right? That's time sensitive nature of trading. Right? We feel that the market moves too fast. Sometimes there's major news, and that gives you a mentality of scarcity. Like, oh my God, I have to go in now and really take advantage of it. You have social comparison. Traders often compare their performance and outcomes with others in the trading community. When they see others trading profiting from certain trades, they fear being left behind and not achieving similar gains. This social comparison intensifies the fear of missing out on profitable trades, right? Do not compare yourself to anyone else. Everyone is in their own journey in trading. Some of you will trade 100 contracts, other will trade more, others will trade less, but you cannot compare yourself to other traders. That will lead to FOMO, that will lead to a scarcity mentality, and you will lose money. Regret aversion. Traders may fear regretting not taking action if a trade turns out to be highly profitable. The prospect of regret can push them to act impulsively and chase trades without thoroughly evaluating the risk and rewards. We see this constantly. Sometimes we miss an entry, and what we hear, and I do it myself, what we hear is like, wow, man, we missed it. Damn, look at that candle. Oh my God, look, I'm so upset. I'm so pissed. Oh, wow, look at all the way up. Damn. And then we see that huge candle, and what we think is, this is not going to happen again. I missed it. That was it. That was the opportunity, right? And that's also what lead to FOMO. And again, you have to shift your scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. All right. An abundance mindset is the belief that there is ample opportunities and resources available all the time. Traders with an abundance mindset recognize that the market is a vast and constantly changing, providing numerous opportunities for profitable trades. Trust me, the market will give you always, always an opportunity for you to trade if you are in the right mindset. All right. By embracing an abundance mindset and prioritizing disciplined trading, you can overcome FOMO and approach the markets with confidence and clarity. Remember that opportunities are abundant. They are not scarce. They're not limited. The opportunities in the market are abundant. And staying true to your strategy will lead to more sustainable and successful trading outcomes. Guys, I guarantee it. It's the one thing I can say. I guarantee it. I can't guarantee your success, but I guarantee that the market will always give you an opportunity for you to trade and wait for the right trade and the opportunity. All right. So, guys, I really hope that you guys take this to heart. FOMO is a real thing, and FOMO is the mentality of scarcity. All right. You cannot let your mind get into that moment. You cannot let your mind think, I lost the opportunities for the rest of the day. You cannot look at a play at 10 o'clock in the morning and say to yourself, the market is not going to give me another opportunity because the market ends at 4. So from 10 to 4, you think the market's not going to give you another opportunity. The market will always give you an opportunity for you to make a profitable trade if you are patient and wait for the right opportunity. All right. That's it for me, guys. This is No Excuse Mentality podcast where we break barriers, embrace excellence, unlock limitless potential. And I will see you guys at 9:30 for live trading. Thanks so much for being here.